Copy-pasting code between classes. That's a sign you need inheritance. In C#, you create a derived class by placing a colon after the class name, followed by the base class. The derived class automatically inherits all public and protected members, methods, properties, and fields. So if animal defines a name property and an eat method, dog inherits both without writing a single extra line. One key constraint. C# only allows single class inheritance. You cannot list two base classes. But a class can implement as many interfaces as it needs, giving you the flexibility of multiple contracts without the complexity of multiple inheritance. To enable polymorphism, mark a method virtual in the base class, then use override in the derived class. At runtime, calling speak on any animal reference will invoke the correct version based on the actual object type. Dog says woof, cat says meow. The base keyword lets a derived class call its parent's constructor or methods directly, useful when you want to extend behavior rather than replace it. Two more modifiers worth knowing. Abstract classes define a template that cannot be instantiated on its own, and sealed classes block any further subclassing. To ace this question, use colon syntax to inherit. Remember C# supports only one base class but multiple interfaces, and use virtual and override to enable polymorphism. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.